migrant living in the UK and looking for safe ways to grow your money. Maybe you're earning a low income and you want to invest without too much risk involved. You know what I mean? Well, in this video, I'll show you the best low risk investment apps and websites where you can actually start right now. I recall in 2024 when we newly moved from England to Northern Ireland and we had a huge financial burden, a huge financial need. And at that time, a friend of mine introduced me to a platform, an app where you'd rate videos and you would earn. It was a really high risk investment. However, the returns was very high returns on investment. So I decided to, invest in it. Knowing quite well it sounded like a Ponzi scheme, I chose to take the risk and I put in $3,000. It was all we had at that time. In fact, I added all my balance in my Binance. I added it to our savings and it all amounted to $3,000 and I put that money in that platform. You can actually guess the results. At the end of it all, I lost all the money. In fact, as a family, we lost all the money. We lost all that we had, all our savings. I know that many migrants currently live in the UK, especially those on minimum wage, those of us who are low income earners, we are looking for ways by which we can multiply our savings, multiply our income, and start earning high. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing apps and websites that are genuine, that are approved by the UK government, where you can, put your money and earn interest, earn returns. If this is something you are interested in learning about, please do stay and watch this video to the end. Also like this video and try to share it out with other people so that it can get to a larger audience. Again, my name is Ms. Bimbo. I'm a Nigerian trained pharmacist and a UK care assistant, and I share everything about migrating to the UK, immigration to other countries, as well as navigating life in the UK as a migrant. So what's the goal? The goal is to grow your savings over time without having to worry about huge losses. Now, let's talk about the best options that are available to us in the UK. First on my list is premium bonds from National Savings and Investment, NS&I. How you can go about this is just type NS&I on your Google, search for it, and it will take you to the government website, the UK government website, where you can save your money. After saving your money, instead of your money to grow interest, how it works is that your money is entered into a draw. Every month, there's a pool where your money is entered into a draw and you can earn as low as £25 or as more as £1 million. It is backed up by the government, meaning that your money is safe and your capital is intact. You can choose to withdraw your money anytime without any penalty. In fact, it is zero risk. If you don't win any month, your capital is still intact. If you win any prize, you can choose to reinvest that money or you can choose to withdraw your money anytime. So it's basically zero risk involved. You can choose to, save any amount from £25 upwards. For me, I started with £100 and now I have put in over £1,000 in that my NS&I account. So every month when they get to do draws, the higher the money you have put there, the higher your chances of winning a draw in that month. I recently read a publication that says that you put a minimum of 10,000 in your NS&I account for your chances of winning every month to go up. So if you have up to £10,000 that you can just keep somewhere, rather than just keep it with your bank where it's not earning any interest on it, you can put it in NS&I. And you can be lucky to win every month. You can win £70 every month, £100, even up to £1 million. Next is what is called stocks and shares ISA. This is tax-free way to invest in things like S&P 500 that tracks the biggest 500 companies in the US. Some of the best platforms that you can use to invest in S&P and other ETF are Vanguard, Nutmeg, Trading 212, and the likes, even Moneybox. These platforms, they allow you to invest index funds and you spread your money across many companies, reducing the risk. It's just like if you're familiar with buying shares, buying stocks, or you're familiar with trading, it's somehow similar. where you buy different coins, you buy Bitcoin, you buy sand, you buy all different kind of coins, and the returns on these coins vary from time to time. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just keep your money with them, and they do the work for you to ensure that your money grows and everybody is happy. The third and the last one for now is what is called the money box. I am somehow infuriated when I hear that migrants buy their first property in the UK, they acquire their first mortgage, and how they did it is by saving and using all their savings. Like, they haven't maximized the opportunity given to them by the government to save 4,000 in your money box account and get 25% tax-free money from the government. So this is how it works. If you download Moneybox on your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store, you register there and you're able to save 4,000 within a tax year in your lifetime ISA account. At the end of that tax year, the government gives you 1,000 tax-free and free money, just like they use that your 4,000, to trade and, to do business, and they give you 1,000 interest on that 4,000. 25% interest is, it's reasonable. So I hear some people buy a mortgage and they never used any of these government funds. They didn't take any of the government funds. Basically, they used their money to get their mortgage, whereas they could have, got this 1,000 free, 1,000 every year. So like I was saying about opening a LISA account with Moneybox, if you are able to open your LISA account with Moneybox, please try as much as possible to save at least £1 in that account. And finally, let me make a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I have discussed in this video are based on my own personal experiences and the little research I have done about finance in the UK. So I'm just like a typical migrant in the UK. And you can also go ahead to make further research regarding all the topics that I've spoken about. And if you have any question regarding any of these methods of saving, you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have watched up to this point, I'd like to say a very big thank you to you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing. If you have gained any insight from this video, if you are yet to like, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people, and do not hesitate to share this video out so that it can get to more audience. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.